Hello, beautiful people. My name is Lisa, and welcome to the Biznezz Academy. On this channel, we're about the buzz in the biz. We help entrepreneurs and business owners build business credit so they can grow and scale their business. But before we get started, go ahead and click on that button to get notified every time I go live and subscribe to my channel. If you want to learn more about business credit, you are in the right place at the right time. So my motto for 2021 is information is the new wealth. So take that information, execute, and make it happen. In this video, I am going to share with you 5 easy tips to help you along the way in building business credit. Let's get started. It is essential that all business owners separate their personal credit from their business credit. What I'm trying to say here is, as a business owner, it is essential that you start building business credit. Quick story. When I started building business credit many years ago, there were no YouTube videos out there. There were no courses. So I had to learn the hard way. And as a result, I personally guaranteed all of my business expenses. I maxed out my checking account. I borrowed money from friends and family. I even maxed out my personal credit cards. And as a result, guess what happened? Yes, I ruined my personal credit. Now, before you can start building business credit, you have to have an established business entity. You register that business with your state. You get an EIN number, and you also get a DUNS number. So that's the number one step before you start building business credit, just to make sure that you're up and running. So now that we're on the same page, in this video, I am going to share with you 5 easy tips to help you build great business credit. Tip number 1, make sure that all of your information is current and up to date on all 3 of the business reporting agencies. And what I would recommend is that you request quarterly your business report, just to make sure that everything is consistent, it is up to date, and there are no errors on those reports. Tip number 2, make sure that you establish enough trade lines. So trade lines known as vendor accounts, and these are net accounts. They're the starter accounts. It is essential. It is important to make sure when you're starting the building business stage that you have established enough trade lines, not just 1 or 2. But what's most important is that you establish trade lines that actually report to the business credit reporting agencies. Very, very important. I have a step-by-step course. If you're interested, it gives you trade lines that report, etc., etc. Tip number 3. Make sure that your payments are on time. I can't stress this enough. Unlike personal credit that gives you a 30-day grace period, business credit does not. If you are 1 day late, that blemish goes on your business credit report. Pay on time. In fact, I would recommend you pay at least 10 to 15 days early. That is a factor that increases your paydex score. Pay on time. Tip number 4, separate your personal credit from your business credit, keeping the files separate. I have a video you can go ahead and watch that goes into full detail about that. Many years ago, I had to learn the hard way, and my tax person, my CPA, gave it to me. That sounds funny. They gave it to me. In other words, I had to learn that you are always supposed to separate the 2. Tip number 5, borrow from lenders that report to the business credit reporting agencies. That way, your payment history boost your paydex score. So make sure that they report to a credit reporting agency. And there you have it. 5 easy tips to help you along your building business credit journey. Listen, if you have any topics that I haven't covered that you want me to discuss, if you have any questions or any comments, I welcome that. I can't stress enough that I would encourage you, if you're creative, you're thinking about starting a business, to just do it. Don't ponder on it, just do it. This is the best time ever to start a business. And it is even the best time to build business credit. Just go for it. And go ahead and click and like my video. And I have a few freebies for you below in the description to help you along your journey. Now remember, when you win, I win, and we win together. My goal on this channel is to give you as much value as possible. That's my goal.